welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I would like to say welcome to any new subscribers that I have. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. And I would also like to say thank you to Bileaf Hair Company for sending me my very first package to do a hair review for them. So today is just going to be a quick review video on the unpackaging and unboxing of the Bileaf Hair Company. To get started, I did order this hair on Amazon. It is the Spring Twist hair. It's similar to the one I have in right now, but the only difference is that this color is T1B350, but the color they sent me, I believe, is the T375, which is more of a reddish burgundy color at the tips. Yes, so like I said, this is my very first package to do a review on. I'm so happy. I was so excited when you guys reached out to me. Yeah, so I was like, let me just not delay this video and just come up here and talk about it. All right. So yeah, so they sent me a similar hair to this. It's also the Spring Twist hair. The original boxing of the hair came in the Amazon Prime box. I am a Prime member, so my package came within 2 days. So that's one of the benefits of having an Amazon Prime. Inside of the Amazon box came the original packaging with the Spring Twist hair. Inside of this bag, it comes into 3 bundles. So this is one bundle. This is the original packaging of the bundle. So I have 1, 2, and 3 bundles. Inside of the big bag also came with a care card. This is really cute. It also show you how you can install the Spring Twist hair. It has 4 steps on the initial process, so the beginning step, and also how to twist the original Spring Twist hair. Okay. Also, inside of the box, she sent me 2 clips. These colors are really cute. This is really cute. It's like a light pink color. So 2 clips to hold the hair down, and also some hair accessories. Like I said, this is the original packaging of the Spring Twist hair. It has the name of the company up top. Right here, Bileaf Hair. The hair is very secure. So doing shipping, there was no destruction to the hair. The original packaging is very secure. This is similar to the style I have in my head right now. It is also the Spring Twist hair. The only difference is that the one I have in my hair is the T1B350, and this one, it is the T1B350. Oh no, this is T1B30. Yeah, this is the T1B30. And the one I have right now, the one she sent me, is the T1B350. And this is more of a reddish copper color at the ends. So the hair came inside of a net, very secure. So this is the hair after I removed. Get your life together, girl. After I removed it from the net packaging, this is how it comes. Very springy. This is how the ends look. Hope you guys can see it. Okay. So the hair doesn't really have any smell to it. There's no smell. It smells like hair. There's no smell to it. The curls are very springy. Watch it bounce right back. It's very springy. This is why I love Spring Twist hair. It's very springy. Yeah. What else about the hair? Oh, you could purchase the hair on Amazon. I will list a direct link down below in my description box. On Amazon, the hair is listed for $22.99 for 3 bundles. So you'll get 1, 2, and also 3. So $22.99 on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, it will take you about 2 days to receive your hair. If you have regular Amazon, I'm not sure. I don't know how long it will take. Probably have to pay extra money just to have it expedited shipping. What else? Oh, okay. Let's talk about this hair that I have in right now. This is Spring Twist. Like I said, this is crochet style. I also did this style individual twists. I will link the video down in my description box also. You could do it crochet style. You could do it any way you want. I decided to do it crochet style because doing it individually was very time consuming. I will also be posting a video about this hair of how I installed it from beginning to end, the crochet method. So stay tuned for that video. What else? Yeah, so that's really it. So I would really like to say another shout out to Bileaf Hair Company for really sending me this hair. Like I said, I was very excited when they reached out to me because this is my first video, my first review and unboxing video. I was very hyped. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments about any styles that I have done so far, or any style that you would like to see me do in the future, you can list them down below and I will get back to you. Yeah, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah, so until then, I would like for you guys to remember to stay beautiful, to stay you, and you have a blessed and enjoyable April.